Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Mining Simulator. Yeah, I have B-tool hacks. So, we're going to see what's at the bottom. We're going to see what's at the bottom of Mining Simulator, guys. Alright, let's see. Destroyed. Hopefully it's not treasure hunt, like treasure hunt simulator. No! Darn. Oh, I'm a super miner? Wow. How do you rebirth? 10 million coins, guys? I don't have 10 million coins. Am I just going to keep falling? There we go. Yeah, that didn't work, guys. Like, at all. I guess we can just play now. Hopefully this isn't the one that I destroyed. Ooh. Let me out of this place. Impressive miner. Okay. Can I buy any different backpacks? Oh, holy crap, that's expensive. Okay, guys, we're going to see what's inside the mountain. So what you need to do, disconnect from your Wi-Fi. Everyone walking will freeze like that guy, alright? Now it'll say lost connection. Don't leave the game yet, guys. I'm going to connect again for some reason. Alright, so we're connected again, guys. Now what you can do, you can noclip through stuff. Oh gosh. Yeah, make sure you don't go in the air like I just did, or else you'll freeze here. So you can do this on any game you want, guys. Jailbreak, let's do it on Jailbreak, guys. How much Robux is this? Like 3, 6. That's 950 Robux for all of these. But now you can disconnect from your Wi-Fi. Alright, no copyright. I didn't want copyright. Hopefully that's not copyright. Okay, guys. When is it going to show up? There we go. No, connect. I always connect back, so after I don't need to connect and do all this other stuff. Yeah, no copyright, please. YouTube, if you're watching this, don't copyright me. I hope that's not copyright music.
Where's Robot?
How would I know, Dad? Oh, he's right there.
This is right where you left him, that's how you know?
Dad, I'm making a YouTube video right now.
I believe you.
What?
I believe you.
Yeah. Good. It's a good thing you believe me, guys. So, yeah. I don't know if my screen recorder just paused. I hope it didn't. Oh gosh, I'm stuck. What else what's a fun game we can noclip in, guys? Adonis Admin house. Well, this is NBC. So, like, there's going to be a lot of abusers in this one. Teleport. Alright, so just disconnect. Everybody just froze, though. Connect. There we go. And now. Really? Alright, I froze on that too. Let's go to. Wait, no. Let's go to BC, guys. No, let's go to a different game. Hold on. Sorry, I had the hat on and I took it off. I'll see you guys when I find the next game. See ya in a minute. Alright guys, I found a new game. It's Real Citizens. And that's probably not gonna be copyrighted, but I don't want it. Alright guys, I don't know like what songs are copyright, so like I don't know what's wrong with this. I'm going to show you guys, we'll know clip after, but I'm going to show you guys how to, what do you call it? How to glitch into houses. Guys, you see this? Oh, I can't. Oh, never mind. I think I'm finally joining, guys. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure if I'm joining. Yo, it's just like freezing up on me and it's being retarded. It's actually making me rage right now, guys. I'm not playing a game, you retard! Guys, I have anger issues, holy crap. Ah! No copyright. Probably not even copyright, but I don't want copyright, like I just said. Hi, Jeremy. Hi. Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm making the video, so can you leave?
You're welcome.
Welcome to
Love
what?
you too. That was rude.
Cool. Don't put that on me, you retard.
Yeah, don't call me mean names.
What the crap is... There we go. Let's go, guys. Ah! Whee! Wait, I think I'm seeing it. Yeah, that was way up. Hold on. I'm going to turn it up so you guys can actually hear the in-game sound. Let's glitch into this house, I guess, guys. Oh, that house definitely. Alright. Let's just go like this. Even though that thing is already open, what you need to do, open emotes, you go trip, trip, trip. You just keep spamming trip, and then jump like that. Oh. Sometimes works. Can't remember how to do it, guys. I haven't played this in like trillion years. Come on. So close. Ah. Trip, 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 trip. Oh gosh, that was weird. It's so weird. I suck at it now. Maybe it's like this. It's so hard now. Did they like patch it or something? Probably did. Oh, my bad. I thought this was open for some reason. Oh, I thought I made it in for some reason. Alright, guys. Let's try getting in right here. Whee! Ah! Queen, you scared me. My brother scared me. Yeah, I got in! Alright. Now you can glitch in like this too. I don't know why it's so weird right now. Probably because I haven't played it in so long. There we go. She's probably like, what the crap? I'm not here. I'm not here. Okay. All right. What the crap? Guys, I think this is really thick glass. Oh, what the? I just walked right into it. Come on, let's try this again. Ah, I'm out. Alright, let's go to an empty plot and spawn my house. Right next to hers, guys. It's going to be so funny. It's so dark out here, guys. Actually, let's go to a different house again. Oh, this house right here, guys. This big house. I usually break into big houses. Like this, no. Like that, no, because I own that house. But these, oh yes, guys. I always break into these. Let's try it like right here. I'm pretty sure this is where I first did it. I know it's pretty easy. There we go. You can get into Pescetti's, I think that's what it's called, by doing this trick. There, we're out. Let's go to Spaghetti's, I think. It's the name of the store. Spaghetti's. And let's get in. Alright, well, actually, let's try to do this fast, because I have to end the video in like 1 minute, so, let's do it, come on. We got this. See, we're in. We can get in like these rooms too by doing this. This is the easiest place to glitch into, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!